Hey guys, welcome to Solid Trades, where I show you how you can make solid trades. Guys, Ali here, hope you guys are doing well. So today's topic is how to recognize fake breakouts in the market and take advantage of it and make money from it. Now, the reason I'm making this video is actually today I was caught in a fake breakout and in one of my trades and actually took a loss. But as soon as I realized, I flipped my position and I actually ended up recovering all my loss and making more money on top of it. Now, if I was a newbie, I would have ended the day red, but because I understand the fake breakout concept, I ended up positive on the day. So first I'll talk about the trade and then I'll talk about the psychology behind the trade on why fake breakouts work so well. Alright, so let's look at the trade first. So basically what happened was today I saw this really nice trend break right here. This is a flag pattern. So basically a flag pattern is this: the stock makes a pole and then it makes a flag right here, right? So it's a flag pattern, and when the stock breaks out of that flag pattern right here, you see how it broke out the flag, the stock normally continues. Okay, however, what happened here is that stock broke out right here and I ended getting up long. I bought right here I bought right here, and then as soon as it went up, boom, fail. I took a loss. I realized that, hey, this is a fake breakout. But when there's a fake breakout, and that's why I want to make this video, is if there's a fake breakout, the stock normally goes on the other direction of very far. So what happened here is that I got long. Let me see if I can show you my executions here real quick. So let me see. Okay, so I got long right here at the trend break. I got long, I bought it, and the stock failed. As soon as it failed, I realized I cut it. I took a loss, okay? But then I flipped my position short, and then I covered. I took this much profit, that's it. I just left tons on the table. Yet ended up actually making money. I lost like about 200 bucks here, but then I made like about 350 or something. So ended up positive, made like 160 bucks on this trade. Similar thing happened with Roku and that as well. I'll talk about that later. But basically, it's not about the money, but it's about realizing it, what's happening, and then be able to take advantage of it. So let me just go into the psychology of this trade. Basically, what's happening here is that, let me just clean this up. Let's just go one more time really clean. So what happened is that when there's a really nice pattern forming, a flag pattern forming, you see a lot of people know this. A flag pattern is a very common pattern. Okay, everybody knows this. So when people get long here thinking, okay, there's a flag pattern, but what happened, it fails, they cut their loss. And when they cut their loss, there's a huge selling pressure which causes the stock to go down on the other direction. So if you don't realize a flag pattern fail breakout, you won't be able to cut your loss quick. And then it ended up, and then the stock just keeps going down and down and down and down. Look, it kept going down and down. Now notice here, once there's a fake breakout right here, what happened? Once it's a fake breakout, the stock just continued to go down. So if you realize this fake breakout, you can actually either cut your losses quick or actually get short on the stock, right? Because if you can get short right here and actually make money on the way down. So hope you guys learned something and be able to hope you guys learn how to recognize false breakout and actually get out or take advantage of it. All right, guys, take care. I'll see you guys in a later video. Bye.